Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add line numbers in Word. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add line numbers in Word. When you are in Word, click on Layout. After that, click on Line Numbers and then click Continuous, and here is number 1, and then just if you click enter it's become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you go back again, here also you have different options: restart each page, restart each section, and line numbering options. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add line numbers in Word. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.